Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to filter out spam message and comments on Instagram. So first open Instagram app and tap on your profile icon. Now here you will see the edit profile option, so click on that. And now in the left panel scroll down until you find the hidden words. Click on this, and inside this, you will see options like advanced comment filtering, hide comments. So you just have to turn on this automatically filter out offensive, misleading, or spam comments. So you just have to toggle this. You can also enable the option to hide message request that may contain spam or offensive content. Just toggle the switch and Instagram will filter them out for you. And that's it. With this settings turn on, spam messages and comments will be automatically hidden. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.